Welcome back to Mackenzie Woodworking. What I'm bringing you here today is an update on our garden trellis. It's been a popular build. A lot of people have asked us about it, so here's some pictures and an update on it. What we've planted in it is scarlet runners. They're a bean. It's about 9 feet tall now, and we've planted it 2 months ago. And there's Kaylee, my helper. And it's growing quite good and around, and so I thought I'd show you some shots here, so enjoy them. What's nice about this trellis is that you can pick it up and move it around because the boxes are attached to it. I hope you've enjoyed these videos and stuff. Please subscribe and share to your friends, and tell people to keep us going. And if you have any ideas for any projects you'd like to see built, please send us some information. There's another picture of it, and these scarlet runners, the beans, really love this trellis. Thank you again for subscribing and supporting our channel.